Good morning to all. Now we are discussing about coal and petroleum. The last two sessions we learned about the three fossil fuels, especially coal, petroleum, and natural gas. We also learned that how coal is produced. Coal is produced by the process from the dead vegetation, and the process is called carbonization. About 300 million years ago, the earth crust was covered with a thick forest, dense forest. When earthquake or such calamities occurs, the plants, trees were buried and they were covered with soil, and years passed after high temperature and pressure, these dead vegetations are turned to coal. Since the coal contain mainly carbon, this conversion of dead vegetation to coal is known as carbonization. Since they are the remains of the dead vegetations, they are known as fossil fuels. Like coal, petroleum is also formed from the dead animals, especially in sea. When the animals in the sea died, they were buried under the sea. They are covered with sand and clay, and years and years passed under high temperature and pressure. These dead animals changed into petroleum products. On burning coal, we get three useful products, namely coke, coal tar, and coal gas. Coke is very important. It is a reducing agent, strong reducing agent in the production of several kinds of metals. It is also used in the steel industry. Coke is used in the thermal plant where electricity is produced. Similarly, coal tar contains, it's a mixture of more than 200 substances. It has a vast usage for the production of dyes, drugs, explosives, paints, so many things. Similarly, petroleum, it's a compound, it's also known as crude oil, and it consists of several, it's a mixture of several petroleum products, namely petroleum gas, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, etc. Then petrochemicals. Petrochemicals is known as black gold because of its vast usage. The natural gas. Natural gas is used in two types: CNG, that is compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. The most important thing in this is the easy to transport. In metropolitan cities, the gases came to their home through pipes. We all are in our area or in our state, we use gas cylinders. In metropolitan cities like Madras or Delhi, gases came to our home through pipes like water in our home. The most important thing is we must control the usage of these fossil fuels. We must limit our usage of these three fossil fuels for two reasons. What are those reasons? These three fuels are exhaustible. If we carelessly use it, the coming generation, we must keep it for the coming generation. They are exhaustible. Uncontrollable use may give an end to it. Second thing is, if we use it uncontrollably or ban it, it may cause air pollution, leads to global warming. So we must complete this chapter let us look we can do the exercise of this chapter. You must read the lessons two times, then write the notes which I sent you. Then the third thing, you must try to answer the questions yourself. If you found any doubt in answering the question, you may refer the answers given to you through the WhatsApp. Let us see what are the questions. What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? What are the advantages? I said to you already that the advantages of LPG and CNG as fuels. What are the advantages? The advantages of using compressed natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas are one, they can be burned directly. They can be burned directly. They can be transferred easily. They can easily transferred easily. That thing, they are clean fuels and do not give smoke when burned. On burning this it does not produce smoke. The third thing, they give a lot of heat energy when made. In our home, we all know that if we cook any food in our home in gas stove, what is peculiarity is it will be cooked easily. Why? The heat energy is very high. Heat energy is very high. Then the other thing is it does not produce smoke. So the four advantages are, what are they? They burn directly. They can be transferred easily. They are clean fuels and they do not produce smoke. Then we can go to the second question. Name the petroleum products used for surfacing roads. We have seen that the refining of petroleum. The refining of petroleum, what's meant by refining of petroleum? The constituents can be separation. The separation of the components of petroleum. The separation of components of crude oil. The last product we have is bitumen. Bitumen is used for tarring roads. Then we pass on to the third question. Describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? How coal is formed under the soil. How coal is formed? Millions of years ago, dense forests got buried under the soil. Due to the natural process like storms, floods and earthquakes. Because how the dead plants buried under the soil due to the natural process like storms, floods and earthquakes. They got compressed as more and more and got deposited over them. More and more soil deposited over them. When they got very deep in the soil, they were exposed to very high temperature and pressure. Under these conditions, these slowly got converted to coal. This process of formation of coal from the dead vegetation is known as carbonization. The points you have to, what are the points you have to remember is, billions of years ago, the earth was covered with dense forest. Then the natural calamities like storm, flood, or earthquakes, they were buried under the soil. More and more soil deposited on it, and at high temperature it converted to coal. The process known as carbonization. Can go to the fill in the blanks. Fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. What are the fossil fuels? Coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Then you can go to the next question. Process of separation. Process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called refining. What is refining? It's also definition. The process of separation of different constituents of petroleum is called refining. Last question. Least polluting fuel for vehicle is CNG. Least polluting. What are the normal fuel for vehicles? Petrol, diesel, and the third is we said CNG. Nowadays, what we use? We are going to use attempts for converting all these instead of these fuels, electrical energy is used for instead of these fuels. For what is the purpose? Reducing the air pollution. After these three fuels, coal, petroleum, diesel, and CNG, the least pollutant is CNG. The fifth question, true or false? Fossil fuel can be made in the laboratory. Fossil fuel can be made in the laboratory. False. CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. False. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. True. The pure coke is one of the purest, not liquid, the purest form of carbon. Coal is a mixture of various sources. True. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. Kerosene is also a fossil fuel. It is one of the components, one of the constituents of petroleum. You can see class 1 design issues in explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. We say that these three fuels are exhaustible. Why we say that? Fossil fuels require millions of years to form from the dead vegetation and animals. It takes millions of years for the conversion of this dead vegetation or dead animals into coal and petroleum. They get buried deep inside the earth. They require high temperature and pressure for their formation, which cannot be provided in the laboratory. The high temperature, they require the formation of these coal and petroleum at high temperature. This cannot be provided in the laboratory. Thus, fossils are limited. Therefore, the use of fossil fuel at this stage will not be will lead to their exhaustion. They cannot be produced in the lab. That is the main reason, because in the conditions, these fossil fuels are formed in the natural conditions. Those natural conditions cannot be provided in the laboratory. You can pass on the next question. Describe the characteristics and use of coke. Characteristics of coke are this tough, porous, and black in color. Like coal, it is coke is one of the form. It is a tough, porous. It is used in the manufacture of steel, and it is used also in the extraction of metals. This is reducing the production of different metals. Explain the process of formation of petroleum. Like coal, petroleum is also formed from the dead animals. Petroleum was formed from dead organisms that were buried in the sea millions of years ago. These dead bodies got covered with the sand and clay. Lack of air, high temperature and pressure, they have transformed these dead organizations into petroleum and natural gas. The last question, the following table shows the total power shortage in India from 1991 to 1997. Power shortage year 1997. Show the data in the form of a graph. Plot shortage percentage for the years on y-axis and the year on the x-axis. Do you understand what are the materials given in? The two things, here is the year and the shortage of the power. Let us try a graph. On the x-axis here, y-axis and shortage. Then connect this with the 1991 7.9. This 7, this 8. 92 7.8. 93 8.3. 94 7.4. 95 7.1. 96 9. 97 11.5. Then what's the given in their test? Here on the x-axis and shortage of power on the y-axis. We connect the points and then we connect the this is the graph. So let us conclude. We can conclude this chapter. In every chapter, first you read the lessons 2 or 3 times. The second thing, you have to write the notes on the note. The third thing, you have to write the answers as you wasted. Don't refer the answer given to you by me. If you find it difficult, you can refer the answers. If you know the answer, you write the answer, then you verify with the answer given to you by me. Then only you can answer the questions in the exam. Okay? Thank you. We can see the next class, the next class we can take the next chapter. Okay, thank you.